Good morning, it's Monday. Now that the winds have picked up, I decided to get rid of everything in the backyard. Move everything out from harm's way. That stays. But I moved everything else. Everything is cinched down in here. I'm gonna probably bring this table in. But everything's strapped down. And I just cleaned everything up in the front yard here. Took it in the garage. Made a mess of our newly clean garage, but it's better off with all this winds coming through. As you can see on the side of the yard now, nothing to fly. That container is full of rocks. If that flies, we have bigger issues. That has to be well over 200 pounds. All right, heading to work. Monday morning, the first raindrops of Hurricane Irma have hit Charlotte, North Carolina. Headed home from work. Obviously, long day at work, but you can see it's been storming all day, raining. These are the outer bands of Irma. Got word that my aunt and uncle are okay in Boynton Beach, which is awesome. But saw some photos from my parents' house in the Fort Myers area. Man, does not look good. Looks a little like there's a lot of flooding in their neighborhood. Yeah, not good. Anyway, heading home to see the girls. I'm gonna go home and hug them. I've missed them today. Do you want a lesson? Do you want a lesson? You don't take someone's food. You have to ask them for it. Right, girls? Because
then Emily will stab you. So.
Abigail, yeah, that's right.
No,
Abigail.
I didn't mean to almost stab him, but...
Where's the piece that I almost took?
Oh, here. Don't dare take it.
Oh, here it is. Here
so
it
he
is.
had his fingers. Here, let's reenact it.
Reenactment.
So,
I went
like it.
No, you hit it. It's a fabulous dinner you cooked, Wendy.
Yeah, that's really good.
Oh, good.
I haven't tried it, so.
So
I haven't tried it either.
She might be spitting it out in a minute. Did you get a napkin, Emily? Abigail.
Well, she puts enough ketchup on it, she'll like it, right?
You guys, Daddy took a piece already?
Chicken cutlets. All right, I don't know if you can see it, but it is raining out. Pouring pretty good and it's pretty windy. Maybe you can see it out there, I don't know. I may have to fix this in color correction because I could definitely see it. Okay, it's pouring pretty good out here on the porch. It is getting wet on the floor inside the porch. Well, like I said, it's pretty windy out here. Trees are swaying. Now I'm getting sprayed. Like I said this morning, I got everything strapped down here, so hopefully everything will stay safe. Okay, it's the next morning. Leaves have been blown all over the place. This is not the normal look of morning storm. Branches are all over the place. More leaves. Had I guess quite a show of wind last night. Wow, there's a lot of leaves up the street. But everything looks intact here. That's good. All right, heading off to work for a Tuesday. All right, kind of a messy ride and drive up to work. Just saw my first accident. It was a two-car accident. Mustang and a Camaro got together. Now you got this yokel guy going way too fast for the conditions. Trying to take some people out. Anyway, no, I haven't seen any trees down or anything like that, but yeah. Well, I got some good news. Yeah, NHRA's in town. That's not the good news. The good news is my parents' place is A-okay. I guess the John Force crew is heading into Concord for the but the NHRA race at the drag strip, which is back that way. I'm heading on the highway, heading home from work on a Tuesday. I have tomorrow off, Wednesday. All right, so I made it home, and there was some bicycles in the driveway. And we got some bicycle riders. Love your outfit, bud.
Thank you.
All right, we got more clouds here.
I'm up. Shout out to Nanny for making this.
Yeah, Nanny. Did Mommy tell you about Nanny's house?
No, they're all fine.
Yep.
I saw the text message. That was for your benefit. Oh. So where will you be going today? Will you be going to the gas station, which is the mailbox, or the main hall, which is the house?
The main hall.
Okay. Please follow me.
Okay.
Follow the green hand. Okay?
Hey, you in the sneakers.
Come on.
What's up?
Scrubbing the green.
I'm rubbing.
Thanks for letting me in.
You're welcome.
I'm home.